Howdy folks, Russell here, back again in the shop to show off my latest completion. Now this is an article of clothing for my post-apocalyptic outfit. It's one often overlooked, but you can't overlook it because if you did, it would really look weird with all the rest of the stuff that you got. So what I'm going to show today is my completed Mad Max style boots. You gotta have boots. You don't want some Velcro tennis shoes. You don't want some slides. No, you gotta have a pair of boots that are keeping you alive and you're keeping them alive. And so here we are. Now, these boots have obviously had a rough time, seen many miles, and you've had to augment them up and put them back together. So here we are. We've got a strap holding the thing on. It's all held on with an old curtain rod. Got bottle cap armor plating on the thing. It's obviously seen lots of wear, lots of tear. And there is Right Boot. Personally, I just really love the way that this has come together. There's the strap that wraps around. Got a clip here in the back to keep it from falling off of your foot while you're up to no good. And then the left boot is actually, in my opinion, better. Like first it was the right one. I thought this is the greatest boot. This is awesome. This is the better boot. Left boot. See, we've got a little brace going on there. We've got some nail armor situated on here to help protect your feet. See if you can see that more up close. Alrighty, got a little brace because you hurt that ankle that one time. All strapped him on the side. Some more nail armor, and then we get to the piece de resistance. The front end right here, which is the steel cage which I have fabricated to put onto this boot. It's all steel and brass construction, held in place properly, and that right there is solid. So there's my left boot for the outfit. So here's the set. Say, those are some rough looking pair of boots. Well, yes, but they go along with the aesthetic of the whole outfit pretty good. Personally, I'm at last done and pleased with them. So this will go in with the rest of my stuff for my post-apocalyptic outfit, which I will be debuting in its entirety soon. And I will be debuting that soon because my Etsy shop is coming soon. I already started the planning phases of it, and I'm waiting on a couple of factors which are involved in the process. You just can't help it. So a little time waiting on the world to come around to my business. But anyway, it's coming soon. You're going to see it and the whole thing because I've got the full outfit now. I hope everybody has a great day. This New Year's Eve day. You know, maybe nobody will get in too much trouble tonight. Have a good evening. Russell here. Signing out.